Renewable and non-renewable energy sources. Energy is derived from a variety of sources, which are broadly classified into renewable and non-renewable categories. Renewable energy sources. Renewable energy sources are those that are not depleted or can be replenished within a reasonable time frame. The following are examples of renewable energy sources. 1. The sun. Sun is the most powerful source of radiation energy. The average solar energy reaching the upper atmosphere of Earth per second on an area of 1 meter square is called the solar constant. Its value is approximately equal to 1.4 kJ per second per meter square or 1.4 kilowatts per meter square. 2. Water. Flowing water is a vital energy source. Large dams on rivers store water, which has potential energy. This energy transforms into kinetic energy when water flows through channels, driving turbines linked to electric generators. This kinetic energy is then converted into electrical energy and transmitted over distances through copper wires and transmission towers. 3. Wind. The large mass of moving air is called wind. Wind possesses kinetic energy by virtue of its motion. The kinetic energy of wind is called wind energy. The kinetic energy of wind can be utilized for doing some useful work in the following ways. Wind energy is used for transporting people and materials by using sailboats. Wind energy is used for pumping out underground water, grinding of grains, such as wheat, grams and maj, by using windmills. Wind energy is used for generating electricity by using windmills. 4. Wood and biomass. The wastes and dead parts of living beings like plants, trees and animals is called biomass. They contain carbon compounds. The chemical energy stored in the biomass is called bioenergy. Biomass is also used to produce biogas by its decomposition in the absence of oxygen. The main constituent of biogas is methane, 65%, and rest is a mixture of carbon dioxide, hydrogen and hydrogen sulfide. Biogas is used as a fuel to run engines and for generating electricity. 5. Tides as source of energy. The energy possessed by rising and falling water in tides is known as tidal energy. Tidal energy is harnessed for producing electricity by constructing a dam across a narrow opening to the sea. 6. Oceans as source of energy. Water in oceans possesses energy in two forms. First, ocean thermal energy and 2. Oceanic or sea waves. Ocean thermal energy. Water at the surface of an ocean gets heated by absorbing the heat of the sun, while water at deeper levels of the ocean remains cold. The energy available due to this difference in temperature of water at the surface and at deeper levels of ocean is called the ocean thermal energy, OTE. Oceanic or sea waves energy. Due to the wind blowing on the surface of oceans, waves move at high speed on their surface, which are called oceanic waves or sea waves. The kinetic energy possessed by such fast-moving oceanic or sea waves is called the oceanic or sea waves energy. 7. Geothermal energy. At some places, rocks below the surface of Earth are very hot. Such places are called hot spots. The heat energy possessed by such rocks inside the Earth is called the geothermal energy. The rocks present at hot spots heat the underground water and turn it into steam, which gets compressed at high pressure between the rocks. By drilling holes into the earth up to the hot spots, steam is extracted through pipes which is utilized to rotate the turbine connected to the armature of an electric generator to produce electricity. Non-renewable energy sources. Non-renewable energy sources are those that, once depleted, cannot be readily replenished within a short period of time. 1. Coal and petroleum. These were formed in prehistoric times from large forest areas buried beneath the Earth's surface. Over millions of years, these forests transformed into coal and petroleum due to the Earth's heat and pressure. Currently, a significant portion of our energy needs are met by coal and petroleum derivatives. However, there is a growing concern among scientists that these resources will be exhausted if we continue to use them at the current rate. 2. Nuclear energy. This is generated through the fission of nuclear fuels such as uranium-235 and plutonium. The heat produced is then converted into electrical energy using appropriate technology. The amount of nuclear fuels in the Earth's crust is limited, and hence nuclear energy is non-renewable source of energy.